Assalamu alaikum. Hello, I am Shafin Rahman. Now I am going to show you how to install Anaconda on your Linux system. And this is, really simple web, not some rocket science. And what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a package which includes a lots of scientific package, including Jupyter or lots of cool stuff. So let's start. I have downloaded Anaconda from anaconda.com/download, and my system is Linux. I'll click in Linux and download this file. This is almost 653 megabyte, and here's the Windows. I will show the installing process on Windows later. Okay, so first I'm going to open my terminal, then go to the download section. Okay, now bash Anaconda now simply click enter. Yes. It will take just few little time because it is almost 653 megabytes, a little large file. Click yes. Yes, now my Anaconda is installed on my system. Now I'm going to just conda list. Sorry. So this is the process to install the Anaconda on the Linux system. This is really simple, not some rocket science or something, but if you are in the Windows system, you will get pretty nice, awesome, just awesome GUI. So you can just click next, and it will install on your system. So that's it. I hope you guys just learned something. Thanks for watching. On the last clip, we're in the download section. That's why our the conda list didn't work. But if we go, if we're in the home section like this, our conda list will work. Okay, so if we test this conda list, it will work. Okay, and if we write Anaconda and it will redirect this kind of user interface. Nice. And now you can you have successfully installed Anaconda on your Linux system, and in here environment we'll see everything installed in here. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you think this this video content is really helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay creative, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.